one more jump each and then let's go see the other animals.
Yay.
There you go.
Grant lost. I'm gonna put in.
Well, Grant won the contest if it was to put your foot in the mud.
Yeah, right. I won. I put my foot in the mud.
You can get me in it too. You want to hold it?
Is it a video? Yeah.
Oh,
you got it. See if I can get over the puddle. What did he say? Oh,
Ran through the puddle.
Grant, let's not do that. I don't have anything to clean you with. Okay, I don't even have a towel in the car, so you'd be done.